What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Off-Road and Outdoor. Now, if you followed along with Bella, you know that she can be a bit bougie sometimes. So, what are we looking at today, babe?
Well, today we have a set of door pockets from Overland Outfitters, and if you've watched any of our past videos, you may have recalled our Overland Outfitters camp cabinet, and they make some really awesome products. So today we've got some door pockets to replace the meshy, nasty stuff that is hanging off of the stock
JK doors.
Stay tuned.
All right, so we're gonna open these things up and see what they look like. And hopefully there's some good instructions, because I'm a little nervous, babe.
Because we may have to use power tools?
No, we're not gonna have to use power tools. I don't know, maybe a drill. We may have to use a drill. So what's the packaging look like?
So JKU door pockets.
And you can kind of see what they're gonna look like right there, guys. We're gonna have that Indiana Jones or Ernest Hemingway look.
Ernest Hemingway, I like that way better.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my Key West book.
Oh, gotcha. Please don't lose anything important.
Right. All right. So they come with some really cool instructions.
All right. Oh, and they're decent quality instructions. Look at those pictures.
Very nice.
Okay.
So let's see. We've got some set of screws.
Ooh.
Oh, look how gorgeous.
Nice. So it's the same leather from our camp cabinet. I'm trying to get it out of that shadow right there.
So there's a pocket here.
It's like a foam pocket or something. Man, I love the materials of this stuff, guys. It is so high end.
Look how beautiful. Red. Yeah. Man, Bella is going to be styling and profiling. And then pockets here.
Gotcha. So there's just a ton of storage. And then flip that back over to the rear side, because so it's like a waterproof
vinyl.
Yeah, a waterproof I guess some kind of vinyl.
Yeah. All right.
Keep it from and so
these are gonna be
handcrafted in India. And
so
there's the logo. Looks very, very nice. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is she's going to unhook the door so that we can turn it out a little further. But you just want to make sure you be careful, because we don't want her window to bust into her cow. So we're just throwing a blanket between the door and the Jeep so that you can get to this. So this is why we want to replace it. I mean, who else's looks like this, right? So it looks like what we're going to do is we're going to be removing this screw and this screw. That's a T25 Torx. Then we're going to pry this thing off and remove the lower screws there. And then we're going to get that trim panel and try to pull that apart. This is going to slide up onto the door. And I think you can hook it up with Velcro or screws. So I don't know if we're going to try Velcro first and see if that's enough to hold, or she's actually going to want to drill holes in her plastic trim panel.
All right, so once we remove this, this should lay right about there somehow. And then we'll be screwing holes here, here, and I think there's one. No. Where's the third one? Right there.
Right there, babe. Yep.
Okay. Let's start tearing it apart.
All right, guys. So what you're going to need is your 1/16 drill bit. You're going to need your T25 Torx bit, and then a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's get started. So she's going to start by removing those T25 screws that we showed you earlier. Should be easy peasy, right, love?
Should be.
All right. That is a downside about gravel, guys. If you drop those screws, they're probably gone forever. All right. Now it's just going to come out from the door. All right. So now she's going to reach in there and try to pull out from all those little tabs that are stuck in. You just got to give it a nice little tug and move up as you go. There you go. All right, so I think that's as far as we'll go there for right now. And now we're gonna take our trim panel remover. That's another tool that I forgot. We need a trim panel remover. We're gonna remove this plastic piece. And then there's some screws there that we need to remove. All right, so she's just gonna put her trim panel here and work that thing around and try not to scratch that plastic up. There you go. And then she's gonna work up and pull off here. Perfect, and keep going up. All right. So there should be this lower bolt, that lower Phillips head right there that she's gonna wanna get to. So she's going to remove that. And do not take it all the way. Well, we just don't wanna lose that screw down in the door panel. So hold on to that screw as it comes out to try to keep it from falling in between. All right, good job. I don't think we need to remove that one. I think it's just the lower. All right, guys, when you pull this door panel back, you'll see those clips that push in down there. So you've got like 5 of those clips. And if you look on the back, you've got these holes here. So these door clips are gonna be going through these areas here. So that's what we're gonna be trying to line up when we slide this thing over the door. All right, so I'm gonna hold the panel open and she's gonna try to slide this thing on. What I'm saying is keep it from, hold on.
Let me get to that hole. I don't want that hole, I want that hole. Now pull it. Okay. It's almost there. Now it's starting to move. I think we about got it. Almost. I got like half an inch here. It needs to go. See it right there? Yeah, I think we got it. Yeah. So the thing is this canvas stuff is really high quality, and so it's really tight, and so it does take a little bit of work to get it to fit the way that you want
Holy
it to
cow,
fit.
once it's in.
But look how beautiful.
So now we need to, so what these holes are for, babe, are so that we can put our screws back in place.
Okay.
So we've got to get those to line back up. But so right now we need to bang all this back together, back closed.
Should I do that now?
Yep.
Nice.
Okay. That's going to be your T25 Torx.
All right.
It's going back in.
Okay.
All right, and last one. All right, she found the last one.
Nice. Y'all, actually, the instructions tell you don't have to drill holes. So if you don't feel comfortable drilling holes in your plastic, there is Velcro back here. So you could just clean up your plastic and pull these Velcro strips and then try it in that manner. I don't want to take a chance of it falling apart. So I'm just going to, and if you haven't ever noticed, Bill is full of holes. So we're going to go ahead and drill into the plastic and make this a more permanent fixture so I don't have to worry about the amount of weight that I'm carrying in these pockets.
And I mean, when you look at it, it fits so clean.
Beautiful.
So we can pull that end up just a little bit, I think, probably. Yep, and get it good and snug.
All right,
All
let's
right.
get ready to drill holes.
let's do it. All right, so she's gonna go ahead and put her screw back in the door panel, and hopefully, oh Jesus, not lose it in the door.
There's not a hole there. There's no hole there.
Okay.
We're good. Okay.
And then pop her trim panel back in. All right, that is in. Now we're gonna drill those holes. All right, no pressure, babe. You got 3 holes to drill. That bit's small, so be easy with it. Easy peasy. Then you've got a 3rd one here. Make sure you push it up flat and line it up. There you go. And last one. Okay. Now they provide you with the screws to install these. I just have to go get them because I don't think we brought them over here. So it only takes 3 screws per. So I love companies that give us extras. Thanks, Overland Outfitters. It's almost like you knew we were going to be working on gravel. Nice. This probably won't get too tight, babe. Don't worry, babe. It's just your mirror you're breaking.
Again.
All right. So that shouldn't go anywhere, and it looks awesome.
See your phone.
All right. So, boom.
It's
Big enough for the iPhone Pro Max.
some random
tools, or I can see your wallet or anything there.
Yeah.
And then you have a whole other
Side
sleeve
pouch.
there. I can see my beard comb going in my other side.
Yeah.
I think I'm really gonna like having that phone pocket right there. Putting it up
Sure.
high like that really makes it usable. So we'll have to see if the door actually shuts, because I don't know if it will, babe. So it may be something you put in the pocket after the door shuts.
Yeah.
So let's leave it in and see.
Do you want me to smash your phone?
No, do it slowly, for the love. God.
Okay.
All right, shut the door, see if it.
You can't get it from here.
Well, if it bounces back, we'll know the phone's in the way.
So we're gonna bounce the phone back.
It closes fine. I watched it, it was closed, but boom. So yeah, I got a phone pocket on my side,
Yeah.
because that's always annoying, is
It's
where do
gonna
I
be
put
so
my phone?
awesome that both driver and passenger is gonna have so much. There's gonna be so much room for activities.
So much room for
So much
activities.
room for activities.
So are you happy?
I love it. This thing is gorgeous.
So guys, I feel terrible. We got this for Christmas, and it is March. Oh, it's April. It's April, and we're just now hooking it up. But it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
So we're gonna get some photos. Guys, I guess you don't need to watch us do the other side. If you've seen one side, you've seen it all, right?
Right?
So, okay, babe, what are your thoughts? Are they worth the money?
Absolutely. They are absolutely beautiful. It really gets rid of that nasty saggy mess that the JK Doors has going on there. It's just super classy. It's real leather, it's real canvas, and it blends beautifully with the whole colors and mixes that we have going on with Bella.
So the only downside that I see to this now is you're gonna be on the website looking at all the other accessories that match.
For sure.
Because the cool thing is they do 2 color patterns, so everything matches. So she could outfit this thing with all kinds of leather and canvas.
I already
So,
have a couple of them. I already have my eye on a couple of items.
all right. Overland Outfitters, be sure to check them out. We'll leave the link in the description below. What else do they need to do, babe?
Be sure to like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment below and let us know what you think about the Overland Outfitters.
JK door pockets.
Thanks, guys.
See you next time.